Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. Yesterday, as you can see, market has shown some upward performance because the political risks are starting to melt. Because, as you know, the Donald Trump in general has confirmed his lose in this president's run, and Vladimir Putin also has said that congratulations to Joe Biden as the colleague voting has happened and know the results. So theoretically, chances that Donald Trump could still take some extreme measures in his struggle exist, but the chances for that are becoming more theoretical rather than could be taken in reality. Alternatively, Donald Trump could keep the common sense and do not lead and push the country in some social unrest, but he could start preparation for elections in 2024. This also could happen. So anyway, despite how it will turn, currently investors mostly are watching for Biden's steps as the president in the financial sphere. And the first step that already have been widely discussed is the more stimulus, because historically the Democrat fiscal policy stands in supporting of the higher growth of the economy and higher rate of the inflation. So more stimulus, more activity, and that is what usually happens when the Democrat stands in government. That means that on the markets, everybody starts to waiting for massive stimulus that could come, as from Federal Reserve, as from Treasury, as from government. So and that makes the all markets across the board show slow but upward action. And the gold, as you can see, not an exception. From the gold standpoint, it's also important because yesterday we said that the upward action here, significant upward action, stands not in a row with the pattern. Because for this pattern, a minor pullback already has happened, and market has to continue to move down. But this hasn't happened, and market turned up again. And currently, market is coming to the vital point that we specified recently. So if we'll take a look at the 5-time frame chart, this was the hand shoulders, and we said, well, market has to move lower, but until it's flirting around 1855, 1853 area, it is acceptable. So theoretically, we could accept this pullback, but market should not move higher. If it will be breakout, market move back to the 1873 top. Be prepared for first challenging of the 1887, 1888, because take a look at the CLP of this ABCD pattern agrees with the daily confluence, 1888, 1882. This will be first destination point. Potentially, if somehow, maybe on the background of some strong driving factors, market will break it up. OP 1930 approximately. But for this week, I think that this point will be enough destination, since it's relatively strong resistance. It's confidence and agreement. So definitely respect here should happen. But since we have just the 3 sessions till the end of the week, probably market will finish the price action will finish the week somewhere around this area, if upward action will continue. Now, on the hourly chart, we need to keep an eye on price behavior around 1853. So take a look that market actually has completed here its minor ABC bottom XOP target right here, but after the XOP, no downside reversal has followed, and in general, market behaves not quite bullish around this area. So if we suggest that bearish context stands intact, with the touching and completion of the pullback, completion of the retracement, market should turn down more actively with the more direct downward action. But here we see mostly the flooring around 18.3 area, which means that, well, maybe overall context and situation here is not quite bearish as it seems. So bullish divergence mostly is done because market has taken out of this top as we suggested. So now keep an eye on what will happen around 18.53. For example, you could keep an eye for some bearish patterns. It could be minor hand and shoulders or something of that sort that will confirm reversal around this area. Alternatively, upper continuation here will tell you that breakout is real, it has happened, and further upward direction is more probable, and taking out of 1875, reaching 1888, 1890 area at least. So that's what we have currently on the gold.